Hi all, let's make an easy cheerleading pom-pom using a plastic carry bag. Take a clean plastic carry bag. Cut off the bottom and the handle portion. Open the folded ends on both sides. Now fold the plastic bag neatly, both widthwise and lengthwise. Staple it to hold all the layers in place. Carefully cut the folded plastic into thin fringes, leaving space near the top. Remove the staple pin and gently open the fringes. This step helps make the pom-pom fluffy without the fringes sticking together. Fold it back carefully once again. Secure the top firmly using a stapler. Take a discarded sketch pen or pen body to use as the handle. Wind the plastic fringes tightly around the pen, applying glue in between. Add more plastic fringes if you want the pom-pom to look extra fluffy. Wrap masking tape around the top and the pen for a secure and neat finish. And your DIY cheerleading pom-pom using a plastic carry bag is ready.
Take a plastic carry bag. Cut off the bottom and the top handle portions. From the handle portion, make a small loop and keep it aside. Cut the plastic bag into thin strips. Open each strip and place them securely on your arm, making sure they don't get tangled. Take the plastic loop and insert it through the strips. Transfer all the strips into one hand. Secure the top part tightly with a string. Take the strips out and cut it open. Trim the ends to adjust the length if you want them shorter. For a thicker pom-pom, simply add more strips. And that's it, your pom-pom is ready. I've also made another one using a yellow plastic bag. Which one do you like best? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY craft.